Hey, what's up, Polygon Matic holders? How are you? Hope you have a good day, my friends. So once again, I'm talking about the Polygon Matic cryptocurrency's latest update. What's the current price of Polygon? What's the price changes occurring in the Polygon? In this video, I will share. My friends, keep watching this video complete. But before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos. Now at this time, the current price of this Polygon Matic is 0.932667 USD dollar. That is the current price of the Polygon Matic in the market. And on the other side, if we talk about the price changes, so now the last 1 hour, last 1 day, 1 week changes occur in the Polygon Matic is positive, my friends. You know what? Why I recommend for everyone to invest in the Polygon Matic? Because my friends, the changes of the Polygon Matic every time positive, my friends. I found every time the changes of the Polygon Matic is positive, my friends. So that's why there's a big reason behind that. That's why I recommend for all of you to invest now in a Polygon Matic. And you can see here, my friends, Polygon Matic is in the top 20 cryptocurrencies in the market, my friends. So it's very good for investment, my friends. If you want to invest in a Polygon Matic, so I think it's a good idea for all of you, my friends. You can see here, my friends, from the price chart, it's also clear that Polygon Matic is now in the profit 17.02%. The price is positive, and they are near to hit a $1 dollar. 0.9318 USD dollar is the current price of the Polygon Matic, and from the price chart, it's also clear. You can see here, my friends, that Polygon Matic take a huge pump, and I'm sure about the future of Polygon Matic that in the future the price of the Polygon will be positive. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.